A boy had a close relationship with his old refrigerator. As time passed, his friends started getting older. One day, the boy grabbed a cold soda and his door wouldn't close properly. He started pushing it over and over again, and just then, his handle broke and fell to the ground. The refrigerator was terrified of being thrown out. Then the boy went to the supermarket. As he left, he noticed a flyer in the boy's hand. It was a brand new refrigerator. He remembered the good old memories they had and plugged himself out and left. As he walked, he noticed an electronics store. There, the brand new high-tech fridges made fun of his ugly appearance. The boy returned and was shocked by his absence. He rushed out and searched for the fridge. Along the way, he found photos that the fridge had dropped. He stopped and asked the new refrigerators about his friend, but they just ignored him. Luckily, a kind toaster helped him out. Meanwhile, the refrigerator arrived at the junkyard and sat alone on a rusty swing. He really missed his owner, but he had no choice but to get over it. Just then, a familiar voice called out behind him. It was the boy. He couldn't understand why the refrigerator had left, but he just pointed at the paper and showed him the brand new refrigerator. It was just a misunderstanding. In reality, he ordered only a door handle and not a new fridge.